Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect! I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well, bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower and I am all clean now.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank God. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary puppet doll edition. Gotta get rid of these contacts because oh wow, I literally can't see. Okay, I'm so over these pigtails. Gotta get these fat lashes. Here we go. Oof. Gotta get the other side. The other side, the other side, the other side of me. Oof. The lips. Alright guys, it's all off and my skin is looking flawless underneath. So I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I am so proud of this. I am such a cute banana. Look at me. The peel took me so long to make. Ah! And now it's time to peel off the peel. Nice. Peel the banana, peel, ow. Also, yes, I made this piece out of a Waterloo box. DIY queen! I think there's only one way to do this. Maybe not. Okay, I literally do this every day. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, baby hairs. We don't need the eyelash anymore. This breaks my heart. Well, now there's definitely no going back. Nightmare fuel. And I am no longer a banana. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I am Dream, as you can tell. A very terrifying version of Dream, but I am Dream. I'm gonna start by taking out my contacts, cause, ow, they hurt. I mean, like, they're just more uncomfortable than anything. Now it's time for the smile. Oh boy. Oh. Nice. I did not think that this is what my Tuesday afternoon would be looking like. Let's take the rest of this off. I would say nightmare fuel, but the original look was way scarier than this. Whoop. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me, Rocky Person edition. Get rid of this wig. Now for the contact. I have one eyelash on. Now I'm using some makeup milk. Let's see if that'll accomplish anything. Oh my gosh. Gotta get that neck. This is never coming off. This is not going well. I'm trying so hard. Ah! Totally forgot that my ears had paint on them. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching.